Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this Can-Am SPYDER F3-T SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Can-Am SPYDER F3-T with 2,248 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and reverse. Powered by a 1330cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 7-gallon fuel tank, the SPYDER has a 225 to 260-mile range. It has a 26.6-inch seat height and a dry weight of 948 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output of 14 volts. Both front tires at 8/30 seconds, and the rear is also at 8/30 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This trike has an owner's manual and 2 keys. It has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.